While the Aussies continue to pile on the runs and push out their lead against the Poms in the Ashes, in the Mornington Peninsula League today, we saw Matthew Eager for Somerville's second 11 in the Peninsula Division take 6 for 26. That's right, 6 for 26 against Seaford, helping them bowl them out for 69. 5 of them were magnificently bowled, which is a great achievement. Normally you see catches, but to get 5 of them bowled is a great outcome, and well done to him down there. Now let's have a look at 5 of those wickets in a magnificent bowling display, not only from Matthew Eager, but from the team as a whole. But let's highlight Matthew Eager's 6 for here.